mean, Animal Company public servers are, I think I already you guys are, they're so out of pocket.
You just gotta join the code. I have a big old rocket launcher, and I have a big old golden pickaxe.
Let me see. Why are you lying?
Come into a code. Come into.
Okay, hold on. Let me put this stuff up.
781.
781.
Nah, I'm killing you, bro.
Yo.
Nah, bro.
Yo, I'm Speedy.
I got 2 grapplers.
You good?
Oh.
You almost took your bag. Someone took your bag.
Give me ammo. Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Oh, I'm safe now.
I'll trade you for that backpack.
Bro, right here.
Yo,
trade that
dumbass
for that
fucking
backpack.
monkey, bro.
Yo.
I'll give you this shit.
I'll trade that for that backpack.
Right here.
Oh,
Do
shit.
you want this or no? 1738. Do you want this or no? Hey, I say what's up, hello.
I'll trade for it. What do you want?
What the
hell? Oh my
Get my money up.
How do I put it?
Okay, yeah, dude, that was kind of mean. That was kind of mean.
There's nothing rarer than suitcase.
I'll put it in my eyes, bro.
I like my suitcase.
XCX. I added you.
Wait a second. You want. La 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 la. No.
Bro, I spent my $29 on that fucking shit, bro. Give me that.
No.
$29?
You tweeting not fucking.
Hey, you're
$29,
talking
bro.
about
Give me my
this?
money back. Give me my fucking money back.
Where did he go? Where did Diddy go?
Diddy.
Hey, buddy.
No Diddy, bro. No Diddy.
Hey.
Yo!
1738.
Coming.
No.
Coming! He's coming!
Ew, bro, what the fuck are you saying, bro? Why are you screaming, bro? It's a fucking game, bro. Chill.
Because my parents aren't home.
I have an
My
unreleased
parents are home,
item.
bro.
I have an unreleased item, look.
Shut the f. Oh, shit. Did you fuck that nigga? I'm killing
Yeah,
this guy.
I'm gonna smooch that ogre on the lips, bro.
Shut the f. You're not gonna switch anything, bro. Yeah, I bet I'm faster.
Come here!
Yo, look how, bro.
Yo.
1738.
Hey, stand on that, bro.
I don't care. I know.
Oh, shit.
What the fuck is that? I have ammo.
For what do we have ammo, bro? For what?
Bro, I'm gonna kill the ogre with cooking. I'm gonna cook him.
Oh, nah, let me do that.
You wanna cook? You wanna cook him?
Yeah, I wanna cook, bro. I wanna cook.
Don't cook me though.
can have
Don't
this.
Don't cook me. So, I mean, I told you the map.
Oh, that's my shit. That's my shit. That's my shit. Bye.
Hey, bro.
Here, shut the fuck up, bro. Yo, I got a whole squad on me.
What?
Bro, look.
What skin am I? It's not rare. What skin am I? Yo, guys.
Oh my God, it's
pink yeah, come here.
Fuck you, you're black. You're black. You're black.
Yeah, you're literally black.
Oh, no, that's mine. That's mine.
Yo, don't mess with the ops. Don't
Guys,
mess with
look,
the ops,
I'm
bro.
red watch.
Nice. Come.
I swear to God, fuck you all, bro. I'm getting my
No, guys, I'm not red watch. Guys, I'm not red watch.
fucking good, Papa High. It's pink. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, best thing. Yeah,
I'm
get
not
me
red
that, bro.
watch. Yo, I'm not. I'm not
Oh my
red
gosh.
watch. Yo, I'm not red watch.
I give you that.